Hey everybody, it's Jordan here, and I'm going to show you how to get started with your very own aged Barnwood microgreens growing kit. It comes with radish seed, it comes with instructions, your Barnwood planter and a drip tray, as well as your dried soil. Now the first step is we're going to want to hydrate this soil, so we'll put it in a bowl, and about 3 cups, give or take a little bit, we'll hydrate it. And it should puff up like that. Over time, you might need to agitate it a little bit to make sure that the moisture is evenly spread. But now, we're going to fill up our planter. 1 puck should be plenty. Now, as you can see, we have just a tiny bit left over. That'll be to cover our seeds at the end. Now, the soil is nice and moist as it is, so I'm not going to spray it down just yet. I'm going to open my radish seed, which is Sango. It's a beautiful purple, and I'm just going to sprinkle it lightly across. It might come out in clumps here and there, but that's okay. We can fix it at some point once we level it all out. And then you just want to kind of get those blank areas filled in. And that should be about perfect. So 1 ounce should fill up your planter perfectly, as you can see. And this is a pretty dense seeding rate, so you'll have a lot of growth. Now we're going to take our extra soil and we're going to just lightly cover all of the seeds. Now you don't necessarily want it to be completely blacked out. This is just to help give it a little bit more darkness and a little bit more humidity close to the seeds, because we didn't soak these radish seeds, and it's common to soak radish seeds to speed up the germination, but there should be plenty of moisture here for everything to sprout and grow just fine. Your kit also comes with this tiny pen sprayer, and we're going to use that to soak down the seed as much as we can. Since we aren't soaking it, we just want to make sure that the seeds get adequately moist during this phase of their growing. You're going to want to cover it. You can use another tray, something long that you feel like would cover this, but we feel like plastic wrap does just fine. Just helps keep it from evaporating too quickly. So now we're just going to let that sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 to 3 days, and then we'll put it under some lights, and we'll check back with you in about 5 to 6 days. And this is after 6 days of growth. We uncovered it after the 3rd day because the radish was starting to poke through the soil as expected, and just look how gorgeous that is with the speckled green amongst that sea of deep purple. Can't get any better than that. It really beautifies areas of your home, like a windowsill or a centerpiece on a coffee table. If you have guests over, they can just pluck at it and eat away. It's a really unique way to beautify your house. So happy planting, everyone. Give this one a shot. And a True Leaf Market tip: once you're kind of done with this and it might be starting to wilt or grow yellow, then you're probably going to want to replant it, but it's really easy to clean it up because all the roots just consume the soil, so you can just pull it all right out.